What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. Out here on the morning walk, coming to you with my top 5 list of men's fragrances for spring of 2020. First of all, shout out to all those who have been following me, subscribers. I appreciate you following me. I appreciate you subscribing to me. Just went through a life-threatening medical emergency back in February, right after the Super Bowl. And so for me, everything that I do is not just about what I like to do, but about encouraging and inspiring others. So for all those who are just going through life and are going through hell trying to achieve their dreams, you know, everybody doesn't know what that's like. Maybe most do, hopefully. Not in the sense that I want other people to go through stuff, but a lot of us, the people don't know, we go through a lot, and then they wonder why we don't show up on YouTube or other places on a regular, because sometimes life is just life. But look at all of this life out here, as you can see on the morning walk, and I'm still thankful. And so when I say at the end of every video, believe until you stop breathing, I mean that. I embody that. I live it. Like I said, it was a life-threatening emergency, came from out of nowhere. All my other vital signs are normal, but I'm still here, and thankful to God that I'm still here. So we're going forward, we're moving on. Hopefully I can get out more videos to you. I'm actually in Stockton, California right now with my family. So not in San Diego, but we still got something nice to look at out here. So let's start off with number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have one that everybody knows, Versace Dylan Blue. This one took a while to grow on me. At first, I didn't care for it. At first, to me, it was average. But I started getting compliments with it, and started realizing that it was one of those that I like, especially in spring, to be... springtime is the time where I like to have more jack-of-all-trade type fragrances. So 3 out of these 5 are going to be jack of all trades, and this is the first one. So it works during the day, it works even in a cooler night during the spring. So you can't go wrong with Versace Dylan Blue. Coming in at number 4, I don't know if this is the curveball. Yeah, this is probably the curveball. This is from the house of Victoria's Secret. Yes, I said it. Victoria's Secret, very sexy for him, Platinum. This one is a soft, powdery, sweet type fragrance. This is going to be for the spring nights. This is going to be for date night. This is going to be for close encounters type thing. So this is gonna work. It doesn't last long, but like I said, for me, I don't need a fragrance to last more than 2 to 3 hours in any type of setting or any type of outing when I'm going out. So coming in at number 4, once again, very sexy for him, Platinum by Victoria's Secret. Moving on to number 3 from the house of Coach. This is Coach Platinum. And yes, as you can see, this video just went double platinum. So let everybody know the stardom is beginning. Thank you so much. But yes, Coach Platinum. This one to me is another jack of all trades. It's going to be citrus on the top. Some citrus notes on the top, a little bit sweet, and on the dry down, more sweet. And I'll get into these details in individual reviews. But Coach Platinum is another one that is a jack of all trades. So I definitely think that this one could work during the day, warmer spring days and cooler spring nights. Okay, so that's number 3, Coach Platinum. Coming in at number 2, we have from the house of Mandarina, and a lot of people have known about this one for a while as well, and I'm just now really getting up on it. This is Mandarina Duck Black. This is another spring night fragrance that I'm going to be just using just to go out. Just to go out, dressed up. You can dress up, dress down. You can, but I would definitely say for going out, I wouldn't wear this indoors. I would definitely wear this outdoors because of the sweetness and because of the dark richness. This one is going to be one that you're going out with, not indoors, definitely outdoors. But this is definitely going to turn heads. It's like I said, it's been around for a while, and I'm just now picking up on it. So Mandarina Duck Black coming in at number 2. Coming in at number 1. This is one that I sampled so much, maybe like 5 years ago. It's hard to believe it's been out for longer than that, but because it's so good. And because it's so good, it was one that I sampled a lot. And whenever I got to a point where I could buy a fragrance, there were just so many other fragrances I was thinking of, and this just fell off the radar. It really just fell off the radar. That's a knock on me, because this one I regathered and reimagined and just thought over again about how good this fragrance is. And of course, how could you forget about the House of Chanel? So from the House of Chanel, coming in at number 1, this is Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. This one there is not a scenario, day or night, dressed up, dressed down, indoors, outdoors, anytime in the spring, I would say anytime in the fall, summer, spring, winter. There is no time, no occasion where this fragrance fails you at all. This is one of those fragrances that is that good, and it deserves to be number 1 on my list. It deserves to be high up on every list that I do. Like I said, I just forgot about it. That's my bad. But if you don't ever check out anything else from the House of Chanel, which you should check out a lot of their fragrances, check out Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. That one, like I said, will work for anybody, any occasion, any situation. That is one of the best fragrances that I've ever smelled. So again, this is the Valiant Sense. I always say, believe until you stop breathing, for all those who are going through while they're trying to achieve their dreams. Even when life knocks you down, you gotta get back up. I know you've probably heard that so many times, but when you live it and you see others living it, hopefully that inspires you to keep going. I'll see you in the next video.